Okay, hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I want to do a demonstration, show you how to download Eset and Internet Security. So we click here on Firefox, click here on getintopc.com, and here I want to type in Eset, and I want to click here, go to number 2, and I want to click here Eset Internet Security 10 free download. And I want to make sure that it is a 64-bit compatible because this version of Windows 11 is a 64-bit. So you can see here compatibility architecture 32-bit and 64-bit. So we click here on download. And the download will start now in a minute or two. Okay, here we go. So once now that that's downloaded, click here. And now click here. And now we click here on the downloads folder. So for this to work, you will have to have previously downloaded a WinRAR. So we right click, click here on open, and the password is 123, and we click OK. And we click here ESET Internet Security, and we want to download, we want to install here the 64-bit. So click here 64-bit. and we click on next. Click I accept license agreement, click next, and there's no need for this to be clicked. So I click here on next, and click here, enable detection for potentially unwanted pro applications, and click install. And we click yes to allow the installation. And I'm going to click here on finish. And click X here and here. And we don't have a license as of yet. We can just go here, free trial license. Click yes. And I'll just put in an email address here. I'm going to put in my email address again. And click here on activate. And activation was successful. And click on done. And we click here on update, as we need to update. So we can click here on computer scan and home, and you have different tools. So the virus signature is up to date. So you have different tools here. You can click here, click home, network protection, banking and payment protection. Here you have your setup, computer protection, internet protection, network protection. So you can click here, banking and payment protection, computer protection. You can click these if you want to. And then obviously then you can click on computer scan. So this is a trial version, so it's handy to have. So thank you for watching today's video. If you like listening, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.